One evening, Dad sat happily eating fries.
So crispy. My favorite. Just a few more. So yummy.
Dad, fries again, not healthy.
Dad, too many fries. Let's play games.
First game, arm wrestle.
Ouch. I lost.
One more game. Tug of war.
Not fair.
Salad time now.
Mom brought fresh salad. Green spinach, orange carrots.
Try one bite, Dad.
Wow. Salad is yummy.
Funny dream, too many fries.
Help. I can't move.
Let's exercise together.
Salad gives power. I run fast.
Time to choose.
I pick salad.
Whole family hugged Dad happily.
We eat healthy now. All smile.
Eat vegetables, play games, stay strong. Healthy family, happy family.